Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a certified pre-owned 2019 Ram Rebel quad cab four-wheel drive, stock number E2507P. 15,000 miles on this Ram comes to us with a clean auto check Historybr report, Granite Crystal Metallic in color. To be certified pre-owned, vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5, split seat bottom, flips up for additional cargo space, and power sliding rear window for extra ventilation. The Ram is very unique and is the only pickup truck on the market to have rear coil springs instead of leaf springs, giving you the best quality ride without sacrificing towing or hauling capacity. Backup camera and trailering package. That camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate. This Rebel has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, 8-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter and shift on the fly, 4-wheel drive. Touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Compass, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for heating and air conditioning, as well as tow haul mode. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect media devices. Lots of storage space in the center console. And dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Ram has a 5.7 liter HEMI V8, 395 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon, 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that certified pre-owned warranty, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.